In this video, I am going to show you how to delete Facebook account permanently if we forgot password. So first of all, open up your Facebook application. On your Facebook application, you have to tap on the menu which is present at the bottom right corner of your screen. On your menu, you have to scroll down, then tap on Settings and Privacy to extend the menu, then click on Settings. Now in your settings, you have to tap on See More in Account Center. In Account Center, you have to scroll down and tap on Personal Details. In Personal Details, you have to tap on Account Ownership and Control. In Account Ownership and Control, tap on Deactivation or Deletion. Then select the profile which you want to delete permanently. Now select the option that says Delete Account and tap on Continue. Select any reason that you want. For example, I will be using I have a privacy concern, then tap on Continue. Now again tap on Continue. Now scroll down and again tap on Continue. Now it will ask you to enter your password of your Facebook account. But obviously, if you have forgotten that password, the only option that you can see is to forgot password, so you have to tap on that. In forgot password, there are multiple ways through which you can delete your account permanently. So you can use your WhatsApp application to receive a code on your mobile phone, or you can receive a code through Facebook notifications, but only if you are logged in on another app or device with this account. So I will simply tap on the option that says send code via SMS, then tap on continue. Once you tap on continue, now it will ask you to enter the text which you are seeing in front of you. So you have to enter that text. So once you're done, now you will receive a 6-digit code on your device. So you have to enter that code and then tap on continue. Once you tap on continue, you will be able to reset your Facebook password. So just reset your Facebook password and then repeat the process of deleting your account. But this time you have to enter the password and press on continue. Once you press on continue, you will be redirected to this page. On this page, you have to press on delete account and you will be able to delete your Facebook account permanently. One thing that you should keep in mind is that you can cancel the deletion of your account within 30 days if you want to. So everyone, that's how you can delete your Facebook account permanently if you have forgot its password. So that's pretty much all for today's video. Consider subscribing to our channel for more informative videos in the future. Until then, stay safe.